How are inequality symbols used in algebra? Have you ever wondered how we can compare numbers in a way that shows their relationship? In algebra, we use inequality symbols to do just that. These symbols help us express situations where values are not equal but have a specific order or range. Let's break this down together. The main inequality symbols include less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. For example, when we say 3 is less than 5, we write it as 3 less than 5. This shows that 3 is indeed smaller than 5. On the flip side, if we say 7 is greater than 2, we express it as 7 greater than 2. This indicates that 7 is larger than 2. Now, what about when values can be equal? For instance, if we say is less than or equal to 4, it means can be any number up to and including 4. Similarly, if we say y is greater than or equal to 10, y can be 10 or any number greater than 10. And when we want to show that two values are not equal, we use the symbol for not equal to. For example, if we say a is not equal to b, it means a and b are different values. These symbols are essential in algebra because they allow us to describe ranges of possible values. For example, if we write greater than 3, it means can be any number greater than 3, which gives us an infinite number of possibilities. When working with inequalities, there are some important rules to remember. If we add or subtract the same number from both sides of an inequality, the inequality symbol stays the same. For instance, if a is less than b, then a plus c is still less than b plus c. If we multiply or divide both sides by a positive number, the inequality symbol remains unchanged. For example, if a is less than b and c is greater than 0, then a times c is still less than b times c. However, if we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, we must reverse the inequality symbol. For example, if a is less than b and c is less than 0, then a times c is greater than b times c. These rules help us keep inequalities true while solving for variables or simplifying expressions. In real-life situations, we often use inequalities to describe limits or conditions. For instance, a student may need to score at least 70 to pass, which we write as score greater than or equal to 70. Or we might say a car's speed must be less than 60 miles per hour, written as speed less than 60. Graphically, we can representing inequalities on a number line or coordinate plane. For example, if we have greater than 2, we would show this with an open circle at to and a shaded line extending to the right, indicating all numbers greater than 2. In summary, inequality symbols in algebra help us express relationships where values are not equal but have a specific order or range. Understanding how to use and manipulate these symbols is key to solving many algebraic problems and describing real-world situations clearly.